हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। कंप्यूटर रे कॉम्पिटिटिव क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज को स्वागत करुच्ची नुआ 50 टी प्रश्न सह। तेबे जमा विलंब करबानी। प्रथम प्रश्न कौन अच्छी देखि नवा। प्रथम प्रश्न अच्छी डैश इज द फंक्शनल की टू डिस्प्ले सेव एज बॉक्स। ऑप्शन ए F5, ऑप्शन बी F6, ऑप्शन सी F9 एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन इज F12। यू हैव टू आंसर व्हिच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। करेक्ट आंसर इज F12। नेक्स्ट प्रश्न को जीवा। सेकंड प्रश्न अच्छी डाटा बिकम्स डैश व्हेन इट इज प्रेजेंटेड इन ए फॉर्मेट दैट पीपल कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड यूज। ऑप्शन ए प्रोसेस्ड, ऑप्शन बी ग्राफ्स, ऑप्शन सी इंफॉर्मेशन, ऑप्शन डी प्रेजेंटेशन। यू हैव टू आंसर व्हिच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी इंफॉर्मेशन। नेक्स्ट प्रश्न को जीवा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 103। The term dash designates equipment that might be added to a computer system to enhance its functionality. Option A digital device, option B system add-on, option C disk pack, option D peripheral device. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is peripheral device, option D. Next प्रश्न को जीवा। Question number 104। A dash is a microprocessor based computing device. Option A personal computer, option B mainframe, option C workstation, option D server. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A personal computer. Next प्रश्न को जीवा। Question number 105। RAM can be treated as dash for the computer's processor. Option A factory, option B operating room, option C waiting room and last option is planning room. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option C waiting room. Next प्रश्न को जीवा। Question number 106। Which of the following are the functions of a operating system? Option A allocates resources, option B monitors activities, option C manages disks and files and option D all of the above. Here all the options are correct, so option D is correct answer for the question. Next प्रश्न को जीवा। Question number 107। To move a copy of file from one computer to another over a communication channel is called. Option A file transfer, option B file encryption, option C file modification and last option is file copying. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A file transfer. Next प्रश्न को जीवा। Question number 108। The primary function of the dash is to set up the hardware and load and start an operating system. Option A system programs, option B BIOS, option C CPU and last option is memory. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option B BIOS. Next प्रश्न को जीवा। Question number 109। What kind of memory is both static and non-volatile? Option A RAM, option B ROM, option C BIOS, option D cache. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option B ROM is static and non-volatile kind of memory. Next प्रश्न को जीवा। Question number 110। Dash is computer software designed to operate the computer hardware and to provide platform for running application software. Option A application software, option B system software, option C software and last option is operating system. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is B system software. Next प्रश्न को जीवा। Question number 111। The dash is the amount of data that a storage device can move from the storage medium to the computer per second. Option A data migration rate, option B data digitizing rate, option C data transfer rate and last option is data access rate. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option C data transfer rate. Next प्रश्न को जीवा। Question number 112। A device which is not connected to CPU is called as। Option A landline device, option B online device, option C offline device and last option is device. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option C offline device. Next प्रश्न को जीवा। Question number 113. What is the other name for programmed chip? Option A RAM, option B ROM, option C LSIC, and last option is PROM. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is ROM. Question number 114. Online real-time system become popular in dash generation. Option A first generation, option B second generation, option C third generation, and last option is fourth generation. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option C third generation. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 115. You use A or N dash such a keyboard or mouse to input information. Option A output device, option B input device, option C storage device, and last option is processing device. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option B input device. Question number 116. Dash is the ability of a device to jump directly to the requested data. Option A sequential access, option B random access, option C quick access, and option D all of the above. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option B random access. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 117. Dash provides process and memory management services that allow two or more tasks, job or programs to run simultaneously. Option A multitasking, option B multi-threading, option C multi-processing, and last option is multi-computing. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A multitasking. Question number 118. The task of performing operations like arithmetic and logical operation is called. Option A processing, option B storing, option C editing, and last option is sorting. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A processing. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 119. ALU and control unit jointly known as. Option A RAM, option B ROM, option C CPU, and last option is PC. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option C CPU. Question number 120. RAM is an example of option A secondary memory, option B primary memory, option C main memory, option D both 1 and 2. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option B primary memory. Question number 121. Magnetic disk is an example of option A secondary memory, option B primary memory, option C main memory, and option D both 1 and 2 means secondary and primary memory. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A secondary memory. Magnetic disk is an example of secondary memory. Question number 122. Which one of the following is not a computer language? Option A MS Excel, option B Basic, option C COBOL, option D C++. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A MS Excel. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 123. RAM is also called as. Option A read write memory, option B long memory, option C permanent memory, option D primary memory. Primary memory is RAM. We know about this, but here question is RAM is also called as another name. Okay, then you have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A read write memory. Question number 124. Dash store data or information temporarily and pass it on as directed by the control unit. Option A address, option B register, option C number, and last option is memory. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option B register. Question number 125. Select the odd one. Option A operating system, option B interpreter, option C compiler, option D assembler. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A operating system. This one is odd. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 126. A dash is an additional set of commands that the computer displays after you make a selection from the main menu? Option A, dialog box. Option B, sub menu. Option C, menu selection. And last option is all of the above. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A, dialog box. Next प्रश्न को जिबा. Question number 127. COBOL is an acronym for dash. Option A, common business oriented language. Option B, computer business oriented language. Option C, common business operated language. Option D, common business organized language. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A, common business oriented language. Next प्रश्न को जिबा. Question number 128. All of the following are an example of real security and privacy risk except option A, hackers. Option B, spam. Option C, viruses. Option D, identity theft. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option B, spam. Next प्रश्न को जिबा. Question number 129. Which of the following is not one of the four major data processing functions of a computer? Option A, gathering data. Option B, processing data into information. Option C, analyzing the data or information. And last option is storing the data or information. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option C, analyzing the data or information. Next प्रश्न को जिबा. Question number 130. All of the following are example of storage device except option A, hard disk drive. Option B, printers. Option C, floppy disk drives. Option D, CD drive. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option B, printers. Question number 131. The CPU and memory are located on the option A, expansion board. Option B, motherboard. Option C, storage device. And last option is output device. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option B, motherboard. Question number 132. Dash is the science that attempts to produce machines that display the same type of intelligence that humans do. Option A, nanoscience. Option B, nanotechnology. Option C, simulation. Option D, artificial intelligence. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is last one, artificial intelligence, short form AI. Next question number 133. Servers are computers that provide resources to other computer connected to a option A, network. Option B, mainframe. Option C, supercomputer. And option D, client. You have to answer which option is correct. Question number 134. When creating a computer program, the dash designs the structure of the program. Option A, end user. Option B, system analyst. Option C, programmer. And last option is all of the above. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option B, second one, system analyst. Question number 135. A computer program that converts an entire program into machine language at one time is called A or N. Option A, interpreter. Option B, simulator. Option C, characters. Option D, compiler. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option D, compiler. Next प्रश्न को जिबा. Question number 136. Computers process data into information by working exclusively with option A, multimedia. Option B, word. Option C, numbers. Option D, characters. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option C, numbers. Next प्रश्न को जिबा. Question number 137. The difference between people with access to computer and the internet and those without this access is known as the option A, digital divide. Option B, internet divide. Option C, web divide. Option D, e-illiteracy. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A, digital divide. Next प्रश्न को जिबा. Question number 138. Computers manipulate data in many ways and this manipulation is called option A, upgrading. Option B, processing. Option C, batching. option D, utilizing. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option B, processing. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 139. The ability to recover and read deleted or damaged file from a criminal computer is an example of a law enforcement specialty called option A, robotics, option B, simulation, option C, computer forensics, option D, animation. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is computer forensic, option C. Question number 140. Where does most data go fast within a computer memory hierarchy? Option A, RAM, option B, ROM, option C, BIOS, option D, cache. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A, RAM. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 141. The dash data mining techniques drives rules from real world case examples. Option A, rule discover, option B, signal processing, option C, neural nets, option D, case based reasoning. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option C, neural nets. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 142. Dash are used to identify a user who returns to a website. Option A, cookies, option B, plugins, option C, scripts, option D, apps. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A, cookies. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 143. Codes consisting of lines of verifying width or length that are computer readable are known as option A, an ASCII code, an magnetic tape, an OCR scanner, and last option is a barcode. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option D, a barcode. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 144. Why is it unethical to share copyrighted file with your friends? Option A, it is not unethical because it is legal. Option B, it is unethical because the files are being given for free. Option C, sharing of copyrighted file without permission breaks copyright law. Option D, it is not unethical because the files are being given for free. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option C, sharing copyrighted file without permission breaks copyright laws. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 145. Reusable optical storage will typically have the acronym option A, CD, option B, DVD, option C, ROM, option D, RW. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is last one, RW. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 146. The most common type of storage device are option A, steel, option B, optical, option C, magnetic, option D, flash. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is second one, B, optical. Question number 147. A device that connects to a network without the use of the cable is said to be option A, distributed, option B, free, option C, centralized, and last option is none of these. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is last one, none of these. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 148. A person who used his or her expertise to gain access to other people's computer to get information illegally or do damage is a option A, hacker, option B, spammer, option C, instant messenger, option D, programmer. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is option A, hacker. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 149. To access properties of an object, the mouse technique to use is option A, dragging, option B, dropping, option C, right clicking, and last option is shift clicking. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct option is right clicking. We can check the property of an object by clicking the right button of the mouse. Next प्रश्न को जीवा. Question number 150. Last question is a DVD is an example of a or an. Option A, hard disk, option B, optical disk, option C, output device, and last option is solid state storage device. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is B, optical disc. Thanks for watching.